Welcome back, photography lovers, to the worldwenext YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of new technology and how it's revolutionizing the way we capture stunning photos. From cutting-edge cameras to groundbreaking software, we'll explore the various ways you can leverage these advancements to enhance your photography skills. So, let's get started. Segment 1. High-tech cameras. Our journey begins with the cornerstone of photography, the camera. With advancements in technology, we now have access to high-tech cameras that offer incredible features. For instance, mirrorless cameras have gained immense popularity for their compact size and versatility. They allow you to capture professional quality images with ease. 1. Here, I have the latest mirrorless camera model, which comes equipped with a range of exciting features. One such feature is the electronic viewfinder, which offers real-time previews of exposure, white balance, and other settings. This helps you visualize the final image before you even press the shutter button. Segment 2. Drone photography. Another groundbreaking technology that has opened up new possibilities is drones. These small flying machines equipped with cameras have transformed aerial photography. With their maneuverability and high-resolution capabilities, they allow you to capture breathtaking shots from unique perspectives. 2. Let's head outdoors to showcase the drone's capabilities. By using the remote control, I can easily maneuver the drone to capture stunning aerial shots of landscapes, cityscapes, and even events. Drones provide photographers with an entirely new creative dimension to explore. Segment 3. AI-powered editing software. Once you've captured your shots, it's time to bring them to life through editing. AI-powered editing software has made post-processing more accessible and efficient than ever before. These programs utilize artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze and enhance your images automatically. 3. Here, I have an editing software that employs AI technology. With just a few clicks, I can automatically enhance the color, sharpness, and overall quality of my photographs. This saves me valuable time and ensures consistent results, even if I'm working with a large number of images. Segment 4. Virtual reality photography. Now, let's explore a futuristic technology that's gaining traction in the photography world. Virtual reality, VR. VR allows viewers to immerse themselves in a 360-degree visual experience, offering a unique perspective and interactivity. 4. With a VR camera, I can capture immersive 360-degree images and videos. These can be viewed using VR headsets or even on compatible smartphones and computers. VR photography allows viewers to explore a scene from every angle, providing an engaging and interactive experience. Conclusion. And there you have it, fellow photographers. We've only scratched the surface of the incredible ways new technology is shaping the world of photography. From high-tech cameras and drones to AI-powered editing software and virtual reality, the possibilities are endless. So, embrace these innovations and let your creativity soar. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments.